I'm Henry Mutanen from Finnish Hunters Association, where I work as a youth coordinator. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about our youth camps, summer camps and hunting camps that we are arranging for young hunters and young people in Finland. Our first camp was arranged in 1997 in southern Finland, and nowadays we have about 40 different camp or clubs, and between 600 children and young people participate in our camps. What we want to do with our camps is young people and children can get know about hunting and have hunting possibilities, and we have 3 or 4 different kinds of camps, and we call our camps Metsoleiris, which means capital K-League camp in English. We have 1 day long camps for smaller children from 6 to 12 years. Very basic things, doing with your own hands, have a good experiences and get things belong to hunting. Hunting dogs, ducks nests for example. And then we have Metsoleiri, which is our oldest form of youth work. Nowadays we have about 15 to 20 camps, and in Metsoleiri belongs a shooting day, a shooting field with rifles and shotguns. Then we have different education here based on actually doing with your own hands and get experiences in that kind, for example. Basic things that hunters doing when they are hunting or practicing or doing game editing. It's based on volunteer work, local hunting clubs and our regional people in our association are doing the work. And they're teaching kids same things that they are doing themselves, and they want to offer kids experiences that they don't have possibilities to have elsewhere. And what want that Finnish children and young people know about hunting. They have good experiences about hunting, and they learn that hunters are good guys, so they would think positively about hunting. And the other line is to offer hunting possibilities for young people who are interested in hunting. You can come to us and participate in camps, in summer camps, and then we have hunting camps, and then maybe we can offer you to membership of a hunting club.